First thing, you open up your content. So you open a window and you download this file. Okay, so here unzip it. Um, this is actually not the file, so this is what you get. Okay, first thing is you install the TDM. Simply say create. Okay, once you're done, go to the Codeblocks. And right now I have a sample file, so you simply open it, and from the desktop, let's open the file. You don't need to know right now anything about this, so simply try to compile it. Okay, you'll get some error like this. Fine, it won't get executed just because this is the default settings over there. But now we are going to make some changes, because of which the code blocks here will get to know our TDM. So go to toolchain settings and say C drive. Forget about the 64-bit. Let's remove. It's nothing over there, so you'll just get 32. And here we have a path. So once you make this change, then you have the linker settings. Add the okay. So here we have something include folder. You have two files. Go to TDM and paste it in include folder. Similarly, you have something called leave. Copy it and paste it to say C drive leave folder. That says includes to includes and leave to leave. That's it. Once you are done, say add and locate the leave file. Leave.bgi file, of course. And here you need to make some changes. We already have it in our folder called readme.txt. You copy it and paste it in the other linking options. And once you're done, now try to build it again. Perfect. So if this happens, if there is a circle on your screen, you should consider that now your code blocks is comfortable to execute, say, graphical programs. Okay. And if there is something wrong, just try to follow the order. Everything will get fine. But if there is anything wrong, then we'll discuss it in the class. You simply download the folder and come to the class. You don't need to know what is written over there, but I'll explain one after another what does these things do. Okay, see you in the class then. And make sure you have the changes. Make sure you have the TDM installed and the compiler settings been changed. Okay, see you in the class.